Today we're going to talk about our Skinvigorate Sonic system. I'm going to use the massage head. It's very easy to put it on and off. Go from the cleansing brush to the massage head. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my serum and I'm going to squirt that on and I'm going to rub it in everywhere, including my neck, because your neck needs to keep up with your face. If you don't take care of your neck, your age will show just as fast there as it will the rest of your areas. So this is my liquid gold. And then if you know or don't know, this has 3 speeds. It has mild, then it has go for it, and then it has intense. So I'm gonna start, I'm gonna put it on the go for it, which is the second, and I'm actually just gonna divide my face into like 4 quarters. Voila, it is done.